Hey friends, I'm so excited because today's 2-minute tutorial is a really simple hairstyle. In this tutorial, I will be showing you the twist back, easy and simple toddler hairstyle for curly hair. Let's go ahead and start the 2-minute timer. Now, I started with a diagonal part. I went ahead and grabbed 2 separate strands. Now, if braiding is not for you, then this hairstyle is so simple. This really simple 2-strand twist tie back. Now, this really honestly only took me 2 minutes. I did have Kendall's hair somewhat detangled the night before. Have to detangle again this morning. I simply added my water, added moisturizer, and reconditioned her hair just to give it some extra moisture. So you'll see in this hairstyle here, I kind of did just a regular twist cornrow. But in this video, I'm dividing up the hair a little bit. It's not going to be like a smooth twist. It's going to be a more of a defined 2-strand twist. So by grabbing 2 separate strands to start with, it's similar to the steps of a French braid, but you only have to work with 2 strands rather than 3. So believe me when I tell you, it is extremely simple to do. So I've only had to twist the hair maybe 6, 7, 8 times, depending on how far you want it to go back. And then just go ahead and put some kind of clip in it. Now I am using metal clips in this tutorial, so just a quick tip, make sure you're really careful when you put them in and be even more careful when you take them out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Now, every Tuesday, we are debuting a new 2-minute hairstyle. So make sure you subscribe and click on that notification bell, and you will be notified as soon as our 2-minute hairstyle is uploaded. Make sure you like our Facebook page and then click on the link to join our group and post the images of your 2-minute hairstyles on our page. Also, it's a great way to build community, so submit your questions, comments, any tips you guys have. Please share them on our Facebook group. Our community is there to help each other out, and it is open to anyone with curly hair or anybody that has to do curly hair. Also, follow us on Instagram. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get inspired by our post. And also, we give you quick tips on IGTV, so make sure you check those out as well. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. We love you, and I'll see you on Thursday, where we will be debuting the Fro Hawk.